fiscal deficit is definitely under check. In fact, yesterday you could see Moody saying that they will upgrade if the government is able to maintain their fiscal deficit or even bring down. Nirmala Sitharaman very clearly told she will bring it down to 4.5% for financial year 25-26 and also further lower it in coming days. And she was also very clear that in terms of the government borrowing and also the debt burden, they want to ensure that they come down over a period of time. So it was definitely a good budget, but just making this tinkering of STCG, LTCG and all, and even this STT increase was not warranted is my feel. But keeping this aside, the fiscal prudence, the consolidation towards that 4.5% to 4% fiscal deficit, what they're maintaining, and the overall tax bracket, which has just got widened compared to what it was before, and hardly that 17,500 rupee tax benefit given to salaried class people was not something so big. And they're just trying to make people come to the new tax regime from old tax regime, and already even before budget, 2/3 of the people are already in the new tax regime. So for me, overall, keeping all these things in mind, I still say yes, it was a good budget, undoubtedly focusing on growth. And they are very clear, they want to keep the fiscal prudence in check. The budget focused more on capital expenditure than on revenue expenditure, which is again good. But only thing is, these tinkerings in tax was something not warranted. But still, market is highly liquidity driven. And right now, being in the right sectors and right stocks are very, very important. And 3 sectors, if I have to name, which is good even at current level, will be number 1, IT. Number 2, it will be FMCG. And if I have to pick the number 3rd one, it will be pharma. So stay only with pharma, FMCG and IT. And also the results which have just come from these sectors up to now, if you see, definitely they are very good. Even in our last discussion, I was definitely telling you before budget that yes, these are 3 sectors which will do good, which have done good in last 2 months, and which will continue to do good even from here. So look at even stocks specific in these sectors. When it comes to IT, look at Infosys, look at TCS. Results were good, and still there is a lot of legroom space even from current market price for Infosys and TCS to good from here.